Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to jailbreak your iPhone on iOS 18.4. This guide will take you through the process step by step, so make sure you watch until the end. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's quickly go over what jailbreaking is. Jailbreaking allows you to remove Apple's restrictions and gain access to system files, enabling you to install custom apps, tweaks, and much more. First, you'll need a jailbreaking tool compatible with iOS 18.4. The tool we'll be using today is the Palera1n Virtual Jailbreak tool, which is fully compatible with iOS 18.4, and it can be downloaded from Zoox.com. And even without the help of a computer, you can jailbreak the device easily. So let's get started. Open the Safari browser and search for Jailbreak iOS 18.4 Zoox.com. Scroll down the page and find Palera1n Virtual Jailbreak. Tap on the Download Palera1n Virtual Jailbreak button. It will take you to the Zoox download page. Download Zoox into your iPhone settings and install it. Once you've completed the installation, open the Zoox app from your home screen. Find the Palera1n Virtual Jailbreak tool and install it on your iPhone. Now, two apps will be seen on the screen, Palera1n IPSW and Terminal. Open the Palera1n IPSW, copy the code according to your iPhone model. Go back to the home screen and open the terminal. Paste the code you copied from the previous app. Wait for this. You'll see the Palera1n button after the process is complete. Tap on it. Once the installation is complete, open the Palera1n app, then tap on the Install button to go forward. Once the installation is done, the next step is to install the package manager. Install the Sileo package manager. This is where you'll access the latest tweaks and apps. This will allow you to access and install amazing tweaks for customization, performance, and privacy. The most popular tweaks, themes, game emulators, operating systems can be experienced with Sileo too. So don't miss out this opportunity. Search Jailbreak iOS 18.4 Zoox.com and find amazing jailbreak options. And there you have it, your iPhone is now running iOS 18.4 with a successful jailbreak. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Thanks for watching.